Hello everyone, this is my presentation to kind of give you some tech tools for teaching. And these are tools that you can use and hopefully use as for communication and collaboration. And so I'd like to share with you right now these tools. And so let me kind of proceed in my presentation here. So there's a lot of tools out there. There's tools by Google. There are tools that are specifically for students, and there's tools that you can use with teachers. And again, these are tools that are made specifically for teachers to use, and they can kind of work together in a collaborative space. So I'll go over those two right now. And so the two I want to cover are Padlet and Mentimeter. They might be brand new for some of you. Some of you might have used them already, especially as we've gone through distance learning and whatnot. And I'm going to share with you how they've been utilized when I put this presentation together, how I went about going to do that. So first thing I'll do is I'll open up Padlet, and what it does is it gives you an ability to make a brand new Padlet. And if you click that button there, my Padlet's reached. Sometimes your Padlet limit is reached. I have to delete some of these. So I'll go ahead and just show you an old Padlet, which I was planning to do anyway. So here is one about growth coaching. This is one that was done to kind of talk about how students, we did a teacher observation, and then this was a CSTP that the teachers were trying to collaborate together on how a certain teacher was creating a rigorous environment, but also creating an environment that had high expectations and support for all students. Here, as you could see, they kind of gave their input as to what that observation entailed. I can show you another one here. Here's another one we use as what we call a tip talk wall. TIP stands for Teacher Induction Program. And for this one, as you can see, this is a collaborative space to where teachers might pose questions, or they'll have a comment about their classrooms or what they're learning online. And so a lot of teachers will kind of answer in here. They might give some links to information if they have a specific question. They also give them, statements about questions that they have. So again, this is a great way, an asynchronous way to collaborate between the teachers, and it really works well for them to kind of use Padlet, post up some questions, and then once you give everybody the link to this, and the way you can do it, I'll go show you that really quick. Once you create a wall, you're going to click on Share, and you can copy the link to a clipboard. You can embed it in a blog, or even just get a QR code, email it. So once you get your link, go ahead and close that. Anybody who has that information can start posting on this wall. And so again, this is a great way for teachers to collaborate. They can put up questions and then answer each other's questions and go back and forth with it. So that is Padlet, one of the awesome collaboration tools that are available that teachers have used a lot with students, but you can take it a step further and use it as an asynchronous way for teachers to collaborate together. Another one is called Mentimeter. I'll go ahead and show you my presentations for this one. And so here are some presentations here, and again, kind of show you some content. So the teachers were given a question, and it says that, if a teacher says, the students don't understand math, how can they kind of spin this to be more of a positive way, or what is another way that they can address this statement? If a teacher says a student is just not good at math, they'll never get good at math. Math is just not something they'll know how to do. These were some teachers giving some information about how they can change that. Let's look at another one. This one says, a teacher says, I prefer not to use very much technology in my teaching. I'm really not good at it. My old methods work just fine. Here are some ideas you could see teachers have posted about how you can kind of change the mindset of that to, instead of just saying, I don't understand technology, I'll never get good at it. Here are some ways that teachers have posted to get good at it. And you can take all these results and kind of assimilate them and figure out what they say. So here's another one. We're talking about coaching again for teachers. And then here we started talking about how, teachers can use these ideas at their own site. So I'm going to go ahead and close all of these now. A lot of them are open up. So as I said, these are there are a lot of tools out there, but if you're looking specifically for two tools that are tried and proved to allow teachers to collaborate and to communicate with each other, these two work really well. So again, that's Padlet. Go to padlet.com or go to mentimeter.com. Both of them you can start for free. You don't have to have a subscription. You don't have to pay for them. They have a certain amount of free things that you can use. And I definitely encourage you to do that. So again, this has been Tech Tools for Teaching, and I hope you enjoyed.